In today's world of evolving manufacturing and product excellence, the environments around us are increasingly multi-material by nature. Production processes have become increasingly complex, demanding solutions to manage this complexity. Driven by maestria and technology, we design intelligent systems that transform complexity into performance, bringing efficiency and control. A dedicated team, a strategic ally, guiding you through every step, from designing to constructing integrated production lines to ensuring full control of the manufacturing cycle for excellent multi-material products. A worldwide presence allows us to empower your production process wherever your sites may be. One approach, multi-material.